Hello everyone, welcome to part 5 of SQL training. In previous video I explained DDL command, and today's video I will explain DML and DQL command. DML stands for data manipulation language. DML commands are used to modify the database. It is responsible for all forms of changes in the database. These commands are used to insert, update, modify, delete the data in the table. So here are some commands that comes under DML, that is insert. This command is used to insert the data in a table. So let's see the syntax for it. Insert into table name, column name, values keyword, then values, whatever you want to enter in that particular column. One thing to remember, here the order of the column should be same as whatever the order you have given while creating the table, and the column here the value should be same. The order of the values also should be same. So another syntax for it, this is the easiest syntax, that is insert into table name, values keyword and followed by values. Here in this second syntax you don't need to write column names. So let's try to enter some data in our table. So I have the table name registration and it has two columns, that is registration ID and registration name. Now I want to enter data in it. So insert into registration, then values 1, it is then values keyword, open the parenthesis, then first is the end, so I am giving it as 1, second is string, so I am giving it in quotes, then run this command, a query. So now we want to fetch this data, right? We want to display it, whether we want to see whether this data is inserted or not. Like here it is showing, but still we want to see, right? So for fetching the data, we use DQL commands. DQL stands for data query language. DQL is used to fetch the data from the database. It uses only one command, that is select command. Select command is used to display the data, whatever the data we selected, which we want to display. So here let's see the syntax for it. Select expression means column names, whatever the column we want from table. Here we write table name, and where condition, where means which row or criteria we can say. In simple, I will explain in brief later. Okay. So let's see. Let's fetch our data. That is select. I want all the columns, so I am using star, or you can use column names also, from registration. Now run this command. Ready? See, our data is inserted. Let's try to insert multiple rows in a single query. That is insert into registration, values. See, I am inserting second row. Now it is in parenthesis, so I want to insert third row, that is also in parenthesis. See, and these two rows should be separated by comma. So now run this query. There is some error. Yeah, this. See, query returned successfully. Let's fetch the data. It is it's not case sensitive, like you can use uppercase or lowercase in SQL. It's not mandatory to use only uppercase. Registration. Yeah. See, the data we have inserted is is displaying. So let's move toward the second command, that is update command. So that is second is update command. This command is used to update or modify the values of a column in a table. So let's try to understand using an example. Here we have, for the registration ID 2, we have the name B and we want to change it to D. So let's do it using update command. Let's first see the syntax for it. That is update table name, set column name and values. Here you can use many changes in one query, but I want to do only one change. So I will use column name 1, value 1. Then where condition means which row we want. Like here for the registration ID 2, we want to change name to D. So let's do it. Update. What is our table name? Registration. Set column name. What is column name? Name equals to D. Where registration ID equals to 2. So now execute it. Query return successfully. Let's fetch the data. Start from registration. Select start. Yeah. See, this is updated. So let's move over the third command, that is delete command. Delete command is used to remove one or more rows from a table. Here where condition is mandatory. Where condition means criteria. Now just understood that. Now recently you have understood that criteria means which row we want, right? So let's see the syntax for it. Delete from table name and where condition. Here if you forget the where condition, the whole data present in your table will get deleted. So keep in mind this condition. So now I want to remove this second row, that is registration ID 3. I want to remove. So I will remove it using delete command. Delete from registration where registration ID equals to 3. Now run. See, query done successfully. Let's fetch the data. Select star from registration. See, we don't have that row anymore. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.